Welcome back. Now that your QuickHub account is set up, it's time for a fun part, creating your marketing campaign. Feeling a bit nervous? That's normal, but don't worry, QuickHub makes it so simple, you'll ever wonder why you ever hesitated. By the end of this video, you'll have a campaign ready to send out to customers or leads. Let's do it together, step by step.
Step 1. Navigate to Campaigns. Once you have logged into your QuickHub account, go to the Quick Campaigns option. Then go to Dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now, let us create a campaign from the start. Click on Create Campaign. Step 2. Enter campaign details. You will be asked to enter the campaign details like the campaign name. For this example, let us enter the campaign name as Buy a New Car. Step 3. Choose your template and campaign type. QuickHub provides many pre-designed templates to make your life easier. You will be able to see template options for all the type of businesses. And for the campaign type, you get an option to choose from SMS or email. For this example, let us create an email campaign by choosing an email template. Click on the email option. Here you will get two options, Basic and Advanced. Click on Advanced. Now select the Buy Car template. Great! As you can see, it has a layout with images and placeholder text. Step 4. Edit on the go. Everything here is customizable. Hover above the area you want to edit or change, and you will get the option to edit. Let us change the image here. Click on the image you want to change, and click on the Upload option. Now, you can add the pre-built image that you have. You can scroll through the template and edit anything you want to change. Notice how easy and fast it was. All we did was fill in the blanks. And QuickHub's editor is drag and drop and super user-friendly, so even if you're not a designer, you can do this. In fact, with the right template, you could be done in 60 seconds. Then, click on Save and Next. Step 5. Select your audience. Here, enter the campaign name as Get Your Dream Car. Enter a subject like How You Can Get Your Dream Car Easily. Then click on Select Contact. This is the section that decides who gets this campaign. Select the contacts and click on Next. Step 6. Launch. All set? Take a breath and click on Send Now. Congratulations! Your campaign was sent successfully.
Now, after your campaign goes out, you can monitor its performance back in the campaigns section. It's pretty exciting, right? And remember, if you ever spot a mistake after scheduling, say you realize you list the wrong date in the message, you can still edit and cancel it before it stands. You are never stuck. See, that wasn't so hard. QuickHub really does a lot heavy lifting, from templates that design the look for you to schedule and track results. You can imagine how this scales. Let's recap what you did. You navigated to campaigns, started new campaign, chose a template, filled in your content, selected your audience, and scheduled it. Congratulations on sending your QuickHub campaign. That's a huge step in your marketing journey. Many small business owners never get around to doing this, but you did it. You did it with the style. In our next episode, we are going to expand your reach by connecting more channels. We'll set up a QuickHub to handle your SMS, emails, and social media all together, which is where the real magic of all in one platform shines. So stay tuned for that. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.